Now, AMC Movie Talk fans, we were fortunate enough last night to host an advanced screening of Joseph Gordon-Levitt's Don Jon. We also had the pleasure of speaking with Joseph himself as he came in for an interview with our very own John Campea, and also surprised the audience with a Q&A afterwards. So, Amy Rose, how was the event?
So we won't talk about the film yet because it's not out. We don't want to spoil it, but we think you guys will be more than happy with it. But the event was just so fantastic because Joseph is such a humble, passionate, intelligent, highly intelligent guy. And, you know, it's one thing to respect someone's talent. It's a whole other thing to respect the person. And I really respect what he's about. And he has such an appreciation of all aspects of filmmaking. And, you know, the Q&A and interview with John went incredibly well because he's so real and you can just feel his passion. And that really translates to the big screen in this way. And, you know, John asked a really insightful question about, you know, like, why now? And Joe got it. He just wanted to not give up, you know, power, creative control. He has a vision and he doesn't want someone to be like, this was great, but let's change the end. So it really inspired me again. There's moments like that where, you know, I feel like I'm doing what I love and I love being a part of this team. And, you know, movies are my life, film and music, they're my life, but it's just seeing him doing what he loves and just so passionate about it. And, you know, I've mentioned a couple times his Hit Record production company that gives a platform to aspiring artists. You know, I've sent a lot of you wonderful AMC Movie Talk fans that way because, you know, there are so many people with great ideas and passion that have no place to voice them. And he's doing something about that. So it really inspired me just getting a part, you know, being a part of that energy and just hearing him. And he's so humble and he thanked the crowd. And yeah, it really inspired me. And I just realized again that we are the only ones that stand in our own way, my friends. If you have something to show the world, get up and do it. So I'm diving back into that script I've been wanting to finish. So thank you, Joseph, and I hope you all like Don Jon when it comes out in a couple weeks. Now, Miss Crystal, you were also there. What was your whole opinion of the event?
First of all, the movie's amazing, and I dated that guy, so when you all see it, you're going to feel bad for me, because I totally dated that guy.
You dated Joe?
Yeah, exactly. The thing that I loved about the movie is that it was so much fun, it slaps you with a message, and then you have so much fun again. And he did such an amazing job acting, directing that I know everyone's going to love this movie, especially all my friends from the East Coast, because it felt like home. But you said it last night, you tweeted it, that he's such a triple threat, and it's so true because not only is he amazing at acting and directing, and the script was, with the story was amazing, but he's such a genuinely humble person, and I don't think that genuineness comes across as often as I'd like it to. Like, I feel like people don't ever get to see the real him, and it was so great, and I hope everyone checks out the interview that John did because it was amazing, and he is such a humble, genuine person, and you can tell that this was such a passion project of his that it came through on every level. So it was awesome, and I want everyone to go see it.
Yes, and no, we didn't ask him about Robin, guys, so sorry.
If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to AMC Movie News on YouTube. It's free and a great way to stay updated with all the latest movie news and check out our daily show, AMC Movie Talk. Also, don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Twitter to stay in the loop for our special prizes, giveaways, and contests.